Welcome to Evidnt's Analytics Platform, your ultimate tool for tracking store sales, discovering top-performing products, and making data-driven decisions that boost your business. Once you log into your Evidnt Analytics platform, you'll land on the summary page, showcasing key insights on your products and sales. The categories and product tabs let you delve deeper into the data, while the Insights tab provides deeper product insights and analytics. The Marketplace button directs you to the Evidnt Marketplace, where you can restock trending products tailored for stores like yours. If you have multiple stores, you can select them in the top right section. The data filters in the control panel allow you to select a date range, view data daily, weekly, or monthly, and filter specific categories. To clear filters, use the button on the right, which resets the date range to the last 30 days and category filters to all. The product sales trends highlight top-selling products over the selected period, by default, month over month. For example, you might see sales of Hennessy NBA bottles skyrocketing during the NBA playoffs, overtaking regular Hennessy sales. The next graph displays changes in overall category sales. For instance, beer sales could increase by 8%, while wine sales decrease by 19% compared to the previous month. The following section offers insights into top-selling products in similar stores. As we learn your store's shopping behaviors, our product mix recommendations will help you optimize your offerings. The following charts provide an overview of product and category sales. Clicking on any product or category allows you to explore detailed data. The total daily sales graphs reveal daily revenue and quantity trends, enabling comparisons of week-over-week performance by day and hour. By selecting the category or product tabs, you'll see individual performance metrics, such as trends, average price, quantity, revenue, and sales growth from the previous period. Choosing multiple categories or products lets you track sales over time. When you select an individual product or category, you can dive into deeper insights. This is where the data gets interesting, employing analytics like those used by big box retailers to check sales data and improve sales. At this stage, we examine product or category sales averages by day of the week and hour of the day. This information helps you understand peak sales times to better manage inventory and staff. The basket analysis reveals what other items are purchased alongside the selected category or product. For example, customers who buy beer might often buy Clamato juice from the grocery aisle to make a refreshing colada. The likelihood graph shows what people are likely to buy. In this example, customers buying beer are 10% more likely to also buy coconut or Slim Jim. To encourage more sales, keep these products within reach of each other. Sales trend reports offer valuable insights into the performance of a product or category relative to your store's overall sales. This information helps you decide whether a category is expanding or if it's time to allocate space for different products. For instance, while a product's overall sales may be rising according to the summary page, its trend might be remaining the same or declining compared to your store's total sales. In such cases, this implies that your store is generating more sales, but the product's growth isn't keeping up. Sometimes, these charts appear flat, meaning that the sales trend has not changed. But sometimes the data can show growth or a decline that is more significant. The solid line provides the longer trajectory of how this product or category is trending. The short-term trend dots show you how things are changing over a shorter period of time. Short-term trends can help you see if promotions are helping specific categories or products sell better, and its lasting impact on the product sales in your store long-term. If you want to see the probabilities of our error and dive into statistics, you can enable the confidence intervals and see the results. The daily and hourly sales trend reports help you understand not only when products sell most but also the likelihood of a product selling during specific times. In this example, beer sales mainly happen on weekends and around 3 p.m. However, on most days at 2 p.m., the likelihood of someone buying a beer is almost always over 10%. Pairing this information with previous insights, offering a refreshing colada after lunch could be perfect for your post-lunch crowd. You can also analyze and evaluate this data by day of the week and hour of the day more granularly in the reports below. We hope this overview helps you make the most of Evidnt's analytics platform. If you have any feedback for us, please reach out at info@evidnt.co. Every qualified feedback is eligible for our monthly Evidnt giveaways and promotions.